Welcome to my channel. Reading Geknowpedia. Today we will do birds quiz. First question. The study of birds is called ornithology, ontology, ology. The correct answer is ornithology. Second question. Name the national bird of India. Sparrow, peacock, parrot. The correct answer is peacock. Third question. What is the color of the patch under the peacock's eye? Blue, black, white. The correct answer is white. Fourth question. Which is the only bird with external nostrils at the tip of the long beak? Flamingo, kiwi, ostrich. The correct answer is kiwi. Fifth question. Which is the only bird that can move both the upper and lower parts of its beaks? Parrot, vulture, falcon. The correct answer is parrot. Sixth question. Name the smallest bird in the world which can also fly backwards. Bee hummingbird, Arctic tern, pigeon. The correct answer is bee hummingbird. Seventh question. Flamingos are born with grey feathers, which gradually turn into which color? Cream, pink, white. The correct answer is pink. Eighth question. Which bird has the largest wingspan? Albatross, falcon, ostrich. The correct answer is albatross. Ninth question. What bird has the longest lifespan? Ostrich, swan, parrot. The correct answer is parrot. 10th question. The only bird that lives in the icy water of Antarctica? Arctic tern, penguin, emu. The correct answer is penguin. 11th question. Which bird lay its egg in other birds' nest? Crow, owl, cuckoo. The correct answer is cuckoo. 12th question. Which species of bird has a throat pouch to catch fish? Pelican, heron, kingfisher. The correct answer is pelican. 13th question. The known flying bird is ostrich, penguin, both. The correct answer is both. 14th question. Which bird can move its head 180 degrees but cannot move its eyelids? Eagle, owl, falcon. The correct answer is owl. 15th question. How many stomachs does ostrich have? 1, 2, 3. The correct answer is 3. 16th question. In the olden days, which bird was used to carry messages from place to place? Pigeon, parrot, sparrow. The correct answer is pigeon. 17th question. Which bird's eyes is larger than its brain? Owl, ostrich, eagle. The correct answer is ostrich. 18th question. Which bird resembles a musical instrument? Lyre bird, harp bird, drumming bird. The correct answer is lyre bird. 19th question. Name the only bird to have 2 toes on each foot. Penguin, cuckoo, ostrich. The correct answer is ostrich. 20th question. Which tiny bird drinks the nectar from flowers? A dove, a hummingbird, a cardinal. The correct answer is a hummingbird. Thank you for watching this video. If you likes the video, please subscribe, like, share, comments.